Array Technologies, ticker symbol ARRY.
So we know that solar and batteries is hot, right? People are wanting to, whether it's about making an economic gain, whether it's about doing our part to go climate change, whatever it is, renewable energies are in the news, blah, blah, blah. That's hot. But what needs to build, what do the solar panels, get installed on? Array Technologies makes the steel brackets that hold the panels. They make the motors for panels that are on the ground that follow the sun. They make that. They make the nuts and bolts of the stuff that the solar panels live on. And there's not much competition in that market. There's a lot of competition in the solar panel market because that's where all the headlines are. But what about the steel frames that hold it? That's Array Technologies. And I like this. Again, cash flowing positive company. Let's go back in time a little bit. Let's take a look at 2 years. Yeah. So we've been hovering around this 15, going all the way up to 25, going down all the way down to probably $7.50. But for the most part, we've been going sideways for years now, and that's fine. That's exactly what we look for, these boring stocks. And it looks like right now we're in a kind of mid-duration channel that's testing about $15 up to about, I'd say, actually $22. And we're at a high here. I haven't gotten a signal using my fast MACD. Maybe a different signaling methodology might give us a signal. But I would, if I was going to be doing this, is I would make sure I've got an up-to-date trade plan on Array Technologies. Again, figure out where your bailouts would be. What would the underlying symbol have to hit to the top side and to the bottom side where you'd say, this is no longer a sideways channeling symbol. Figure out your bailouts. Use some recent options in order to calculate what would be the worst case scenario, what would be these bad situations that would happen, and plan for it, right? It'll help you decide how many shares to buy or sell. It's at a nice price. And let's take a look, make sure that there's some options on this thing. There absolutely are, right? If we were to get into a trade in the not too distant future, in the next week or two, there's some January options trading every $2.50. And $2.50 is fine in this case. 25. If I bring out my magic marker, that means our option strategies could be placed here, here, here. There's enough granularity with the $2.50 price strikes that we can create all sorts of really nice setups that would build a lot of, pre-built confidence. So get your planning in place, and then let's wait for that signal, however you're looking for it, that a top has been found. And either paper trade if you're just learning this stuff, or real money trade by either shorting Array Technologies and being prepared to do a covered put, or buying some back month, deep in the money, far out in time put options that would allow us to also sell some put premium when the time is right. Either one of those strategies, whether it be the covered put or the bear put diagonal debit spread, those would be perfect fits here, and I love it.
Yeah, I wonder if seasonality has any play, right? Given that like we're in the dead of winter, maybe there's some pullback until spring or summer.
I
I'm not
think these
sure.
people ship around the world. It's always summer someplace in the world. Australia
Okay.
is summertime right down. Remember, Australia has mandates from the government that they have to do so much renewable. So Australia is like big into the solar play. So